You are about to find out the key levels for Visa, ticker V. Now, they do have their earnings coming out after hours today, so in preparation, we're going to provide the key levels we're paying attention to. So firstly, just to know, what is this red arrow and this green arrow? Now, this is what the options are pricing in for the expected move on this release, and that's $8.20. So from now, again, options are pricing in either a move to around 148 or around 131. Now, the key things to note, we do actually have levels relatively close to both of these. So if we do get the expected reaction, we have a support and resistance both at those levels. So if we start to sell off, we do have our quarterly anchored VWAP at $231.70 as that key support. And on the other hand, if we push to the upside, we have 248.25, which is our first deviation from the 6 month. So that would be our key resistance, and the anchored VWAP would be our key support if we get the expected range. Now, if we move less than expected, then really there's no trading opportunities. We're not really near any key levels, and we're trading relatively close to fair value, which is at $237.35. So if we move further than that, then we can come into some other key levels. So if we push to the upside, we are then looking at a 253 resistance, a 258.75 resistance, and then around a 269 resistance if we go higher. Obviously, this will be the strongest because not only is it far out, but it's also two key levels right on top of each other. But again, getting a move like that, gonna be quite unlikely considering especially that we're at fair value. So unless earnings came in and absolutely destroyed expectations, we're not going to see a move that wide. The biggest move I could really see is probably us moving to maybe this 256 to the upside, but again, we can see what actually happens. Now, if we push to the downside, obviously we covered the anchored VWAP at 231.70. That's what the option's pricing in. If we move further than expected, then we have our next support at $227.25. This is our 6 month first deviation, and what's nice about this is about 75 cents below, you have our 1 year anchored VWAP, and that's at $226.55. Now, when I say the 1 year anchored VWAP, this actually means from Jan 1st, not actually going back a year in time. And if we go lower, we do have a few more supports. We have $221.80, $216.70, and a final support at $206.25. So those are the key support and resistances. Again, paying attention to what the options are pricing in. And if we move further, that's really where I think the main trading opportunities are going to come, whether that's from a after hours quick day trade or looking to take a swing trade into the open tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, why don't you check out this video, because you'll probably enjoy that one too.